Hi, I'm Liz Lau with Park Bench and TLC Realty Group. Today we are at Whisk, Carolina. This is Dan, the owner of the store.
Hello.
Hi, Dan.
How are y'all doing?
Thank you for talking to us.
Absolutely.
This is a beautiful store. So can you tell us what people can expect to find here?
Yeah, absolutely. My wife and I opened this store in 2013, and really what we are is a store with quality kitchenware, cooking classes, and culinary inspiration. Our whole goal is to inspire the community to cook.
Wow, really nice. What made you decide to open, a store like this?
It's kind of a second career for us. I was in a different business track for most of my career, so was my wife. But we found that cooking is what we always did together, and that's the way we relieve stress in our life and where we find our own inner peace. And so we decided that we really wanted to create a business that fueled our passion. And so we came up with this concept of having not only all the products, which you can't see yet, but we have over 15,000 products, unique products in the store, and we also do 50 cooking classes a month. So not only do we teach people how to cook, but we sell all the products in the store that help them do the cooking.
Well, before we talk about the products, tell us, how did you find Cary as the location?
So I actually, my wife Diana and I actually live 8 minutes down the road. So, one of the things that we wanted to do was create a business that was very community focused and community based. And for us, it's important to live in the community that we do business in. So living 8 minutes down the road worked perfectly for us.
Customers are neighbors as well. Yeah.
I'm sure, yeah, but customers come from, for our cooking classes, people drive from West Virginia, they come from Florida, they come from all around. Even for shopping, we often have people from Pinehurst, from Wilmington, from all over the Carolinas.
Great. So I see that you have some products in here. This is, like I said, a beautiful store, very nicely decorated. You have a lot of products in here. Can you show us some of your favorites or some of the most popular products around here?
Yeah, it's always so hard to pick, and I only picked a few, but obviously cutlery, knives, the most important tool in the kitchen for the cook, and a dull knife is a dangerous knife, a sharp knife is a safe knife that is efficient and can help you do the work. And we actually have the largest selection of knives on the East Coast from basically from Florida up to Washington, D.C., so maybe New York. So we've got a huge selection, and I love knives. We've got beautiful Japanese knives and classic German knives, so we really have everything there. This is a cast iron pan, and it's hand forged, handmade in Portland, Oregon. So artisan, USA made. A lot like your grandmother's cast iron. They don't really make cast iron the way they used to, but these people decided to go back and do it the old way, and absolutely fantastic heritage piece, and absolutely beautiful too. Cooks beautifully. One of our most popular items in the store is the chirpy bird, and I wish I could demonstrate it, but this is a little bird you put in your wine bottle, and when you pour it, it chirps, and everybody laughs. Everybody loves it. So it's a great
for party.
It's a great party gift. Like if you're going to someone's house, it's $20. Great gift for a party. And then our most popular item in the store since the day we opened is called the garlic twist, and this is a funny little gadget, but basically you can put 6 or 8 cloves of garlic in it, and you put the garlic in there and you twist it, and it can be big chunks or all the way to a paste. Never touches your fingers. If you don't use it all, you can put it in the refrigerator and it stores airtight, and then when you're ready to clean it, you just throw it in your dishwasher. So most popular item in our store for 6 years straight, the garlic twist.
Very handy.
I know, very handy.
Yeah.
Everyone loves it.
Exactly.
So yeah, we could go on for about 4 days, but I think we'll just stop right there.
Okay, great. How about some of your classes? Can you tell us a little bit more? What are your most popular classes? And
yeah, we do classes. We do classes for the public. We do a lot of company team building. Kind of half of our classes are each. We've got upwards of 50 classes a month during the fall, and we have chefs from 15 different countries. So what we do offer is kind of something for everybody. We offer basic cooking classes to classes that chefs would want to take. Our most popular classes, sushi. We've got a great sushi chef, and hand-making sushi is always popular. Pasta making, rolling pasta from scratch, forming it into, tortellini or ravioli or things like that. That's a great night. One of our most popular classes is called Beef, Bacon, and Beer, the three main food groups for most guys. So beef, bacon, and beer is a popular class, and we have so many more. It just depends on what anyone is into. I mean, it can be baking, it could be cooking, it could be just sitting back and entertaining, but most importantly, we've got a style for everybody. We've got hands-on, where you work for your food, and we've got Relax and Enjoy, which is like a Food Network TV show where you sit back, enjoy, and our TV cameras take care of the rest, and you're having fun with the chef.
Great. Do you have some interesting experience in your classes or with your customers here?
I mean, all sorts of interesting experiences, but I will say the one thing that I find fascinating is that people come to classes and they don't know each other. And, after a class, it's been this way for thousands of years. People cook together, they share food, and after class, they're trading phone numbers, and they become friends. And, for Diana and myself, I think it's a beautiful thing, because it is really about community and people meeting who both, who happen to live in the same area. They have a common passion in cooking, and now they've become friends. And so that's always an interesting experience for us.
Great. Well, thank you so much for talking to us today.
Yeah, absolutely.
Great.
Absolutely. It's been great. And if you haven't been to Whisk, come on down. We're in Cary's Waverly Place, and it's www.whiskcarolina.com.
Yeah, it's at the corner of Tryon and Kilda Farm Road. Thank you.